Dear student class 5, today I am going to discuss about chapter 8 Gender Equality Topics 2 International Women's Day. On 8 March every year throughout the world we celebrate International Women's Day. So how did it begin? On 8 March 1857, the same year as the Shipper Mutiny in India, women garment workers in Newark went on strike. Who were the striking in this period? Women garments workers in Newark, they demanded equal pay to men and 8 hours working day. They demand what type of demand? The what type of the demand they have? They demanded equal pay to men and 8 hours working day. The strike was broken up by police and some women are arrested. It was the starting to demand the women right. On the same day in 1908, there was another mass strike by women of the Garments Workers Union in Newark with 20,000 women working out for 14 days. It showed how women could organize themselves in mass protest, this time asking for an end to sweatshop and child labor. Then in 1910, at an international socialist conference, the German socialist uh, Clara Zetkin, who was the German socialist Clara Zetkin, called for an International Women's Day. What type of activities Clara done? He called for an International Women's Day, campaigning particularly for votes for women. Uh, what type of rights actually Clara established, and what type of activities actually Clara done? Actually, she campaigning particular for votes for women. In 1913, Russia celebrated Women's Day on the last Sunday of February. In 19 These are the historical background of women's rights. In 1977, the UN declared, UN means United Nations, declared 8 March as International Women's Day for the whole world to campaign for women's freedom and equality. Look, this is the announcement for an International Women's Day. International Women's Day event in Bangladesh. Discuss with your teacher. It is aiming to active to achieve inspiring change is the theme for global hub, which encourages demands for women's advancement everywhere in every way. It calls the challenging the status quo of for women's equality and vigilance, inspiring positive change. Our expectation for our women our expectation for our women development from the school's function on Women's Day are given below with the help of teacher. International Women's Day was declared for the establishment of equality among men and women. 8 March is observed as International Women's Day across the world for removing the disparity between and women. Half of the population, we know half of the population of Bangladesh is women. They have rights to get proper education to lead a decent life, but for various type of superstition and narrow concept, they have been deprived of the rights of education, treatment, job, development. But recently, many of our women are taking part in various job sector. In the garment sector, they are playing very important role by producing best products. So an excellent environment has to be ensured for our workers, women's workers. Number B, look. Draw a timeline of the events that lead to International Women's Day. 1857 year. Phenomenon. The Women's Garments Workers of New York launched a movement for the demands of their proper wage. Actually, this question said as which year and which event occurred to get the rights of women. Year 1857, the Women Garments Workers of New York launched a movement for the demand of their proper wage. 1908, the Women Garments Workers of New York called a public meeting to stop child labor. 1910, a German sociologist demanded declaration of women's rights and Women's Day. 1013, all the women of Russia observed the last Sunday of the month as Women's Day. 1977, the UN, I want to say United Nations, declared the 8th March as International Women's Day. C. Look. Plan a celebration for the 8th March in your school. Draw some posters and discuss who you could invite as a local speaker to talk about women's rights at work. A program will be arranged in your school on 8 March. The local MP will be invited to deliver a speech on the importance of that day. A colorful procession will be brought out from the school premises. For this, posters and banners will be needed. With whom? With whom did International Women's Day begin? Farmers, teachers, female garments workers, the police. The right answer will be female garments workers. Violence against women. There are many international policies to address gender equality. The aim of these policies is to acknowledge women's rights as basic human rights, but women are often the victim of violence. This is a violation of human rights. Actually, we live in a society, we need certain facilities, opportunities to live safe and sound as a member in the society. The chance to fulfill this need is a kind of rights. The term rights of women means those facilities and opportunities a state approves of for its women. Women rights are human rights. Actually, women rights are human rights. The United Nations passed the Charter of Human Rights on 10th December 1948, approving these rights for people all over the world. According to the Charter, all people, irrespective of their race, religion, caste, age, gender, qualify to enjoy these rights. In our previous uh, topics, we learned these rights. One major and special feature among them is all men and women are equal and they deserve equal rights. United Nations plays an equal role is preserving various rights for the women in education, health, medical treatment, etc. The Constitution of Bangladesh also declares to eradicate all discrimination to the women. But we need to learn how our women folk are living. It is really tough to ensure equal rights for women in our society. If we don't know about our rights, we cannot enjoy them. In reality, women compared to men are lagging behind. The main reason behind is that we don't have a clear concept about the right of women. Look, but women are often the victim of violence. This is a violation of human rights. Amnesty International describes a humanitarian international organization. Amnesty International describes various incidents of violence against women, such as acid attack, murder, for failing to pay the requested dowry, and flogging for religious offenses. All crime out by illegal groups. Actually, dowry and acid attack is a social problem, and you know, majority actually one of the major social problem of our country, custom of dowry. Exchange of dowry is prohibited in the marriage law of the country. Still, in most marriage, groom's side takes dowry from the bride's family. Dowry is an age-old tradition. So, dowry used to determine social status. In present Bangladesh, dowry takes the form of money, property, valuable furniture, articles given to the groom during marriage. According to the Marriage Act, Bangladesh, exchange of dowry is prohibited. Dowry is a practice in all social section of Bangladesh. Many problems have arisen in the society out of this custom. The main reason behind torture, violence against married women is dowry. The wife is humiliated in her husband's house due to dowry, and as a result, they fall in victim of acid attack. When the demand of dowry is not met, the wife is forced to leave the husband's house. This sometimes lead to divorce and even death of the wife too. Incidents such as post-martial, conjugal quarrel, torture, murder of wife, happening mostly due to dowry. It acts as the root of poverty, corruption, criminal tendency, early marriage, polygamy in the society. And these works, we know these works are totally illegal, and a group of people already involved it. The causes of this attitude are that our dowry system makes women into a burden on society. In many cases, girls are not able to go out and make friends without the permission of their families. Because in the perspective of Bangladesh, a poor father is somehow unable to provide for his daughter and marries her off to in-law's house. On the other hand, a father of a minor or an adult boy to take such a bride for his son as get up a cheap faithful slave. In most cases, it is found that adolescent brides are brought in order to do all the heavy works in the family. So, child marriage is prohibited, we know, and the girls are not able to go out make friends without permission of their family. It is a tradition of Bangladesh, especially in rural areas. Their families think that may harm their reputation. Girls sometimes cannot receive proper education for or work because of fear of violence. And they think when some boys teach her in the road, then the guardian completely stop the education of girls child, and they think it hampers our reputation. What has our government done as a result? Look, uh, what type of we have decided we have a dedicated Ministry of Women and Children's Affairs to combat uh, violence against women and children by providing medical treatment, very very important, underline this slide, legal assistance and counseling support. In 2011, the government passed a national women development policy, but much has yet to be done to change society's attitude to this level of violence. Already government taken many policy. Child marriage is a punishable crime. We need to stop child marriage. Parents, guardian of such child must be consulted frankly. Both boys and girls need to be independent. So the Anti-Dowry Act was amendment in 1986. According to the revised law, the convict for receiving of giving dowry will receive a minimum of 1 year to a minimum of 5 years jail sentence. According to the Act Against Women and Child Repression 1983, a convict may be awarded death sentence or life imprisonment and financial penalty if a woman is tortured to death or any attempt to her death for dowry. It is the act. So we have to change our society's outlook and society's attitude. If it is possible, we can girls child may or can do anything. They can achieve their goal. They can properly receive their education. They can get their job. Discuss the poster opposite. What do you think it aims to achieve? Look, the person in the pictures want to establish equal rights for women, men and women by stopping all kinds of oppression, injustice, violence against women. Besides, they also want to develop the social values alongside providing the victim, women and children with medical treatment, legal aid and necessary advices. So you got the answer. Number B, right. Violence against women is harmful for all of us in society. Write a letter to your local newspaper to draw readers' attention to this. Actually, you have write a letter. The daily newspaper, any daily newspaper. I told you the sample of how to write the letter. At first you write the date, then you write to the editor, the daily Kaler Kantho, daily, maybe daily Prothom Alo, place now and address now, then subject. Application to publish the attached letter in the letters column. Dear sir, I would be highly grateful if you publish my letter in your letters column and help to grab the attention of the authorities concerned to stop violence against women. Yours faithfully, maybe Sarah, maybe Apurbo. Then you write, violence against women harmful for people and society. Violence against women is a severe crisis in Bangladesh. This crisis has taken an acute form both in urban and rural areas. As a result, the lives of women have become unbearable. The root cause of violence against women is lower social status of women than men. On the other hand, the main cause of violence against women in families is dowry. For this reason, victim women suffer a lot both physically and mentally. Their children go astray in many cases. Such children become child laborers. The physical and mental development of the children is hampered. Violence against women also causes economic losses as affected women cannot go to work in such conditions. So there is no doubt that violence against women is harmful for people and the society. Then you write your name, address, and then you send sender's address and name. Look, number C, extend. Extent, the Ministry of Women and Children Affairs of Bangladesh works to resist violence against women. It controls some organizations such as Bangladesh Shishu Academy. Bangladesh Shishu Academy works to develop the mental state of children by arranging different types of cultural and educational program. Number D. Complete the sentence. We can help change people's attitude to violence against women by the blanks will be by creating public awareness among them. So thank you very much. I already discussed a full chapter. I already review. And have you any problem or face any doubt, please contact with my messenger ID. Thank you very much.